840cc cold water, 200g flour, 1 tablespoon granulated dashi, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 2g salt. Mix lightly. It is okay if there are lumps. Put 1 egg in another bowl and mix well. Mixing in a separate bowl makes it easier to mix when adding the eggs to the batter. Add the well-mixed eggs to the batter and let rise in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Slice the green onions to a suitable size, about 50g. Keep it together with 100g of Tenkasu. How to make Tenkasu is described in the link and outright displayed above. Tenkasu is an important ingredient in making takoyaki. I'll explain the reason later, but definitely let's put it in. Finely chop red pickled ginger. Cut each octopus into 2.5g pieces. Be sure to use boiled octopus. Cut into pieces about half this size. This takoyaki plate is made by a Japanese portable stove manufacturer and is designed with the best construction for cooking takoyaki on a portable stove. 4 grooves on the back. Set this groove on the portable stove. Wow, perfect fit. Naturally, since this plate is fluorinated, we will use bamboo skewers and chopsticks instead of metal skewers. The explanation has become long, but lightly mix the batter after it has rested in the fridge. The batter gains in flavor and eliminates lumps as it is allowed to rest. It looks like a liquid, but this is the best condition. Let's make it. Heat over medium-high heat. Pastry brush the takoyaki plate evenly with oil. Apply a generous amount of oil. Put the butter in first. Do not overfill the butter at the beginning, taking into account that the ingredients will be added. Next, put the mixture of green onions and Tenkasu evenly and generously. Tenkasu absorbs the moisture of the butter and melts in takoyaki. If you don't put it in, it will not be a tasty takoyaki, so be sure to include it. Add red pickled ginger and octopus. You can choose the amount of red pickled ginger as you like. Red pickled ginger and gari are different, so don't use gari. Finally, add the butter where there is not enough butter. Cut the takoyaki butter along the groove of the takoyaki plate. Collect the butter in the center as much as possible. Doing so will make takoyaki easier to turn. When it is lightly browned, turn it around. You don't have to turn it over at once. Don't worry if you can't turn it over neutly at first. You can make it brown while cooking. The key is to do it quickly. If the butter hardens, it will be difficult to make it round. Cook while spinning. When turning, push the protruding butter down and turn it. By doing this, the takoyaki will be finished in a round shape. In Japan, making takoyaki with friends and family is called Tacopa. Tacopa is an abbreviation for takoyaki party. Why don't you try Tacopa with your friends and family on the weekends? It's great fun. You should try it. It's getting rounded. Although the outside looks finished, the inside of the takoyaki is actually still undercooked. In this state, the flour is not completely gelatinized, so it is powdery and not delicious. The inside of the takoyaki is heated to a high temperature by turning it and cooking it slowly. In the process, the octopus is steamed at a high temperature to release its broth, resulting in a takoyaki that is full of octopus flavor. At high temperatures, the steam inside the takoyaki causes the takoyaki to expand. If steam comes out of the takoyaki, it is a sign that it is deliciously cooked. It looks delicious. I can't wait to eat it. It's done beautifully. This time I'm using octopus takoyaki sauce. You can buy this sauce at the same store as the takoyaki plate. Drizzle with sauce and sprinkle with aonori and katsuobushi. Itadakimasu. Takoyaki is dangerous to eat in one bite. The inside is very hot. See, and because of its structure, it is hard to cool down. The nice aroma of the sauce is appetizing. Yes, it's delicious. When you eat a bite, you will want to eat another bite. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.